Ninth Circuit Court to rehear dispute over federalizing Oregon National Guard for Portland. The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit announced on Tuesday that it will rehear the contentious case over the federalization of the Oregon National Guard, a move that keeps President Donald Trump from deploying Guard troops to the streets of Portland. The decision overturns the panel's earlier ruling from October 20, which had briefly cleared the way for the administration to federalize roughly 200 Guard members to protect a U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) processing center in the city, by reinstating the temporary restraining order originally issued by U.S. District Judge Karen Emergut. The court re-established the legal barrier that had halted the deployment. Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield hailed the development, saying it sends an unmistakable message that the president cannot send the military into U.S. cities unnecessarily. Rayfield added that the state will continue to defend Oregon's laws, values, and sovereignty as the litigation proceeds. The legal dispute centers on whether the president's statutory authority extends to commandeering state National Guard units for domestic law enforcement purposes, a question that pits federal executive power against states' rights. The original split decision was issued by a three-judge panel that voted 2-1 in favor of the administration. The majority opinion argued that the president likely acted within his legal authority, while the dissenting judge warned that the majority's order should be vacated immediately to prevent an illegal deployment of troops under false pretenses. In response, the full court has convened an en banc panel of 11 judges to reconsider the case, and Judge Emergut is slated to preside over a 3-day trial that will examine the merits of the deployment request. Earlier this year, the state of Oregon and the city of Portland filed a lawsuit seeking to block the federal government's attempt to mobilize the Guard, contending that the move would infringe on state sovereignty and exacerbate tensions surrounding the ICE facility, which has been the focal point of ongoing protests. Recent court filings corrected earlier government statements that claimed 115 Federal Protective Service FPS officers had been dispatched to Portland. The corrected figures show that officers were sent in waves of up to 30 at a time, totaling 86 FPS personnel. Federal attorneys apologized for the inaccurate data, emphasizing their commitment to providing the court with accurate information. As the Ninth Circuit prepares for the en banc rehearing, the case remains a flashpoint in the broader national debate over the limits of presidential power, the role of the National Guard,